friends, welcome to my channel Swetlena's World, and today I'm going to create a affordable sunset makeup look. You can wear this makeup on your any dance performance or any marriage reception or any wedding guest makeup look. So I hope that you guys will like and enjoy this look, and if you like and want more this kind of affordable and this kind of look, then don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel, press the bell button next to the subscribe button, participate on my giveaway. And now let's get started on today's video. So I am using aftershave balm as a primer on my face to prep my skin for the makeup look and applying it. And the second, the most important thing is the foundation, and here I am using Lakme foundation. I will mention the name in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And I'm going to blend it. For adding some color on my eyes, here I am using Huda Beauty's dupe eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this orange color shade and I'm going to apply this on the top of the crease area with the same Punastur eyeshadow brush, and I'm applying 2-3 times to making it more intensifying, and it gives me a sunset kind of effect. Next I am taking this yellow color shade with the flat shader brush, taking this brush from Club Factory, and I'm just tapping the color on all over my eyelid area. You can see, doing this step 2-3 times just to making the color more pop. And lastly, I'm going to add this burnt beautiful reddish pinkish kind of shade, and I'm going to apply the color on my outer V section of my eyes just to making is more identical, because it gives me some depth to my eyes, and also applying little bit on the top of the crease area just to making my eyes little bigger and also dragging it under my eyes. Next I'm making a winged eyeliner. It is a little bit of longer than as usual, so here I am using Elite Tint liquid eyeliner for making this wing. And secondly, I am going to again brighten up my lower eyelid area with the help of the same foundation, and also blending it with the help of the same blending brush. And I'm just setting my full face with the compact. It is from Oriflame. Next I'm going to contour the hollows of my cheeks, jawline, on my forehead, and also blending it with the help of this brush, and also side of my nose, you can see later. Next I'm going to apply some pink peach color on the apple of my cheeks as a blush. It is from Essence. Next I'm going to apply some white color pigment as a highlighter on the bridge of my nose, on the apple of my cheeks, on my chin, forehead, and also highlighting my inner corners and the lower eyelid area with the help of the same pigment. Next I'm using my newly favorite nude lipstick. It is from NYB. Again I'm going to apply the shade name on the description box or the screen area. Just take that out, and it is a very beautiful nude color, and I am just loving the color because it's my now go-to color. I just loved it. And I also have applied some false eyelashes on my eyes on the off camera, and also I have done my eyebrows in this look on off camera. And yeah guys, it's complete my whole makeup look, and I just opened my hair, and yeah, it's the simple pretty kind of look, and I hope that you guys will like it. look, and if you like, then share this video with all over your friends. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell button next to the subscribe button. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah guys, see you again on my another video. Till then, take care, be happy, and bye. And if you have any kind of video request for me that I can create, then also let me know in the comment section. And a giveaway is going on, don't forget to participate in it, and soon the giveaway will be closed and I will announce that. So yeah, jaldi participate on my giveaway. See you again.